Okay, so pretty much what we got going on this week is we're working on this Kenworth. We've been doing the whole interior. So far, it got to us because it had a minor damage in the inside from a fire. So pretty much right now, I'm gonna be showing you guys what we have done so far, how it's looking, and what are we expecting to do once it's finished. Now come with me and I'll show you guys. Okay, so what happened with this truck was he got to us because he had a fire on that corner right there. Pretty much what we did, we replaced the piece. We redid all the interior on that corner. The electrical, we checked the electrical, it wasn't damaged. So pretty much we end up doing the whole truck. How you guys can see, we did gray leather, red stitching, red buttons for the floors. We did marine floors. Also, we did these trims, that is gonna be the one that goes around the shifter, and also the ones on the doors and the one around the pedal, that you can find it on our website. As far as colors on the dash, we did gray. He wanted something super simple. This is a working truck. So pretty much how you can see, everything that we use this time is something that is super low maintenance. You don't have to be cleaning all the time, super easy to keep clean. I really love these floors. They don't get a scratch. Pretty much this is a working truck, how you guys can see. So far I like how it's looking like. Stay tuned so you'll be able to see how it looks like once we finish.